This is a day I've been looking forward to for 2.5 years. Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything. And Apple has been, well, first of all, one's very fortunate if you get to work on just one of these in your career. Apple's been very fortunate. It's been able to introduce a few of these into the world.
Steve Jobs சொல்ற மாதிரி there are going to be two very important technologies that are going to change the way the world operates in 2025. That is AI and gaming. And whether you want to work in the field of AI or gaming, you need to have a strong gaming laptop. இந்த வீடியோல அதான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஒரு gaming laptopல என்னெல்லாம் important features இருக்கணும் and what is the best gaming laptop to buy across different price ranges. We are going to see 6 different laptops across price ranges, starting with cheapest to the most expensive one. So make sure to watch it till the very end because this is going to be a gold mine for gamers, coders, developers and any student or a professional watching out there. Irrelevantly important feature for a computer is to have a strong CPU. Strong CPU na and why is the CPU used? Everything starting from the booting up of the PC to loading the applications to web browsing, everything happens on the CPU. So make sure you have a very strong CPU. Something like an i5 13 Gen or even a Ryzen 7 series is very useful, especially for day-to-day applications. And adukku mele neenga vaanganona, then it really depends on what you are using it for. Let's say you're a heavy user, you're using multiple concurrent applications, you're a professional, then go and upgrade it to the Ryzen 9 series or i5 13 Gen, i9 13 Gen. A lot of options are available for you. CPU ku appuram irukradhu important ana part of a laptop is the GPU for gamers. Neenga or gamer irundinga, you need to have a strong GPU for playing strong AAA games like GTA or Counter-Strike or Cyberpunk or whatever it is. Because GPU is the one which does all the complex mathematical calculations and it is very important for things like rendering, matrix multiplication and other deep learning and other artificial intelligence related activities. So if you're running any TensorFlow related applications or any AI related applications locally in your PC, then it really goes and looks for the GPU. So make sure to go and find a great GPU, something like an RTX 4050, RTX 4060, at least a minimum of RTX 3050 so that you get to do your favorite activities on a day-to-day basis. GPU mudinja odane there's another important feature for a PC, that is your RAM. RAM is the place where you get to store the computer's short-term memory. So if you want smooth loading, a fast loading, seamless experience for gaming, having a high RAM really helps a lot. So go for something like a 16GB RAM or 32GB RAM. It never hurts to have a higher RAM. RAM mudinja odane another important feature for your computer is having a high storage. Neenga games la download பண்றீங்கன்னா உங்க local it takes a lot of memory and a lot of storage. So make sure to go for something at least like a 512 SSD. Prefer SSD over HDD because of faster loading in the SSDs. And make sure to go for something like where the memory is expandable. You know, like where even though the memory is limited to 512GB initially, you can use external memory to go and fit it and it will help you expand the memory as well. And display, then just go for something which has close to 144Hz display or even a higher Hz of display. It really helps you with a better experience in gaming. இப்போ நான் பார்க்க போறோம் across the different price ranges what are the best laptops to buy. Let's start off with the 70,000 range. That is the Acer Nitro V. நான் Acer Nitro V தான் இப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் for a very good college student or someone who's just starting out, who's working. Acer Nitro V is a very good start because it has an i5 13 Gen to start off with and it provides you with an RTX 4050. நீங்க வந்து games விளையாடுறதுனாலோ or video editing பண்றதுனாலோ Acer Nitro V is a great choice, but the build quality is not great because like it's not something which is designed for perfection. It's not beautiful, but from a working perspective, Acer Nitro V fits all the important characteristics of having a great RAM of 16GB, having a great processor of i5 13 Gen, having a decent enough GPU of RTX 4050 and having a 144Hz display. So if you're a college student, go for Acer Nitro V. The next laptop that we're going to be talking about is the Asus TUF Gaming A15. This laptop has a Ryzen. It doesn't have an Intel, it has an AMD Ryzen. It's a 7th generation AMD Ryzen with very similar features as compared to the Acer Nitro V. ஆனா வந்து AMD Ryzen of this processor is better in multi-core performance as compared to the i5 13 Gen. So that's one of the reasons why this is higher priced and the build quality of the Asus TUF Gaming is significantly better. Even when you hold it, when you touch it, you will understand that you know what, this has a much more stronger feel. It's made of metal, so it's much cooler to use and much more fun to use as well. So heavy gamers, great programmers can use this laptop for sure. It's in the 80,000 range, so great laptop for a great price. அடுத்து பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து this is a HP Victus gaming laptop with i7 13 Gen. I believe that this is one of the most perfect gaming laptops because it satisfies a lot of the conditions. It has a 1 terabyte SSD for your storage of different games and applications, and it has a 16 GB RAM. Plus, it has an RTX 4060, which is great for amazing gaming like GTA, Call of Duty, Cyberpunk, whatever you take it. Like, you don't need a better processor and a better RAM. So, strong multitasking capabilities along with great gaming capabilities. So, one of the great laptops available in the market right now for close to 1 lakh, but I feel it's very much worth it. அதனால உங்க பட்ஜெட் கொஞ்சம் ஹையா இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த லேப்டாப் ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணுங்க. You will not regret it because I think for close to just like 10-20k extra you are getting something which is much more high performance as compared to the other laptop in terms of processing power and in terms of GPU and in terms of storage as well. So that's a big boost and you can use it for the long term as well. நம்ம அடுத்து பார்க்க போறது வந்து it's one of my favorite laptops is the Asus ROG, and the reason why this is better than the HP Victus is because of its slightly higher processor, which is the i7 13 Gen 13650 as compared to the lower version in HP Victus. And in the laptop build quality is just amazing. It has a very strong build quality along with a close to 165 Hz refresh rate along with the RTX 4050 with a great 6GB VRAM associated along with it. So if you have the budget of more than 1 lakh, then this is the best laptop to go for. This is the Asus ROG. Great laptop, great specifications, great features, great build quality at a price of close to 1.2 lakhs. If you are someone who's a gamer, aspiring to be a professional gamer or a streamer or someone who's interested in doing AI for a very long term, great investment. Number அடுத்து பார்க்க போற laptop is just mind blowing. It's just insane because it has an i9 14 Gen processor and it has an RTX 4060 and 8GB dedicated RAM along with an AI engine. It has a 16GB RAM associated with itself, right? So if you are someone who's a professional gamer, someone who is very passionate about machine learning, artificial intelligence development, then this laptop is something you should definitely check out. It is the Lenovo Legion 7. It is one step above in processing power and it is one step above in terms of GPU as well. And even though it has the same RAM, but I feel that this is a huge boost when it comes to gaming laptops. So if you're someone who's serious about gaming, serious about doing development, then do give it out, do check it out. Please go to their website and see what are the different features. It'll be very useful for you. Finally, we have the father of all the gaming laptops out there with a price point of close to 4.5 lakhs. It has better features than the Lenovo Legion and it has better performance than HP Victus, and it is priced higher than both of them combined. So in this laptop, it has a 32GB RAM, it has a storage of close to 2 terabytes, and it has an RTX of 4090 with an insane build quality, with insane performance, built for the best of the best gamers, with insane customer support. Everything is amazing about this laptop. It's priced at 4.5 lakhs. எனக்கு தெரியாது யாரா இந்த மாதிரி லேப்டாப்ஸ் யாரா வாங்குறாங்கன்னு நான் யோசிச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன். But there are people who are doing pretty well who are actually buying these kind of laptops. So நீங்க ஒரு கேமரா இருந்தீங்கன்னா then do aspire to buy these laptops at one point of time in your future as well. Maybe if you're not able to buy it right now, because this laptop, it will be a different kind of experience altogether because of the insane amount of features that it has. And in the future, there will be more large language models where you can run them locally. So if you want to run them locally, you need to have stronger GPUs. And if you need stronger GPUs, then definitely you'll have to go for laptop which has a higher price point. And நீங்க developer இருந்தீங்கன்னா இல்ல coder இருந்தீங்கன்னா, if you're a machine learning engineer or a gamer or whoever it is, then GPUs of the utmost importance. And this laptop has an RTX of 4090. Amazing laptop. It's not for everybody. If you're a student, then definitely do not buy this. It's not suited for you. But if you are someone who has actually made a little bit in life, then yeah, go for it. Go and enjoy this laptop. This is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys got to learn something. I hope you guys got to learn more about the different technical aspects of different laptops and how you should go about thinking before buying one of them. And if you did like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. நான் actually நிறைய தமிழ்ல பேசுறேன்னு தெரியும். ஏன்னா நிறைய features is actually written in English. So English to Tamil translation கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம். But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And Tamil பசங்க, obviously you guys know English as well. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.